Hi everyone, this is Vignesh Kumar from Phoenix Financial Training, and I'm here to share my thoughts and a few facts relating to the recent change that has been made by ACCA for exams to be held in India for the June 2021 exam sitting. So on 20th April 2021, there's been an official confirmation that due to the current circumstance prevailing due to COVID-19, the center-based exams that have been planned are now being replaced with remotely proctored exams, which means you will be able to do the exam from your homes, offices, or any other location where you can find yourself a secure place, a room dedicated to yourself to do the exam on the exam date, and you will be watched and proctored remotely. This obviously means that despite the current prevailing circumstance, you will still be able to do the exam. So the exams are not getting cancelled, which by itself is good news. Naturally, this would mean that you need to plan ahead for the internet infrastructure and having a system, a device, a computer device that will meet the specifications and allow you to do the exam seamlessly. In the past, when remotely proctored exams were held in many parts of the world, including in India, particularly in September 2020 and December 2020, there were quite a few students who faced some technical issues and problems. A large part of that was due to internet connectivity and system issues at the candidate end. But part of the problem was also hiccups with the ACCA system. The ACCA have taken on board all the feedback that has been shared since, and the system has continued to improve, and therefore the risk of technology related risks has reduced significantly. Changes like modifications to the exam software which allow background programs which were otherwise freezing the exam to be identified and closed are some of the changes that ACCA have brought about. And we did see the exam completion rates to be much higher in December than in September 2020. And it is expected that when the June 2021 exams are held, this has become a tested process, the remotely proctored exams, and therefore the risks of exam disruption are lower. There may still be issues that arise, but it is going to probably be a very small percentage of the total number of candidates who would aim to take the exams in June. So rather than wait for an extended period, while there is an element of nervousness in the system and the technology, as long as we can plan ahead, now that we have about 45-50 days to go to the exam, we can plan ahead, make sure we have the internet connectivity in place, have the systems in place. It is definitely sensible to go ahead with the exam entry and do the exam. In this video, you will see certain links that are attached, that are provided, that will allow you to get familiarized with the system requirements, the minimum system specifications. You also have a link that will allow you to perform a system check on the device that you have, and a link to a YouTube video published by ACCA which gives you a step-by-step guide for booking exams. So using this process, you are now able to book exams from the 3rd of May to the 9th of May. Students who have currently booked exams under a center-based approach will have their exam entries cancelled, and they will be asked to, the refund will be issued, and immediately you are able to book the exam anytime between 3rd May and 9th May. So between those 2 days, even if you haven't booked an exam already, you can wait till that week. So between 3rd May 2021 and 9th May 2021, you can go ahead and book the exam. There's a step-by-step guide in the YouTube link I've mentioned, which is available below this video, where you can learn the process of booking the exam, which in any case is very simple. There is also a troubleshooting guide the ACCA have published, which is very useful, common issues and problems and questions, and you may have. You may look up the document and you will find the necessary guidance. So if you need any further assistance, please feel free to contact myself or your other tutors at Phoenix, and we'd be more than happy to help you. We know how important it is for you to progress. There are some candidates who waited through the COVID times for normalcy to be restored and then to progress with the qualification. But there comes a point when we have to look ahead, we have to look beyond and plan to progress. Though the exam may be remotely proctored, with adequate preparation and planning, and with the relatively mature ACCA system that we have in place now, with the experience that ACCA have had over multiple sittings of remotely proctored exams across the globe, we can hope, pray, and wish that the exams go well for all of you. What's important is you keep focused on the preparatory process and avoid any laxity in the preparation. It's time to stay focused, even more focused, and march towards your upcoming exams with a lot of confidence. Good luck. If you need any further assistance, as I've mentioned, please do not hesitate to contact one of our team. Thank you.